What's the deal, man? It's JT back with another quick video. Today is Tuesday, February 24th. It is around 1:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. That's where I'm in Arizona. Today so far we are at 246.50. Yesterday 392. So far for the month 79.89. It looked like I can finish off the month towards 10K. That's what I'm aiming towards. That'd be cool. If not, next month, definitely aiming towards that and beyond. I really want to double that shit, to be honest. But that's ClickBank. That's MaxBounty, ClickBank. We ain't make no sales today. Yesterday, 18.54.54. I think I made a YouTube video around this time, 21st, something like that. But yeah, so nothing today in ClickBank. We are at 246 with MaxBounty, so we only made 246 today. That's that. Oh, here's an inside look into the members area of the AI Empire system. If you haven't already seen what the modules look like, it's 5 different modules. And the bonus module, you got module 1, Empire Foundations. I'm not reading all that stuff, so you could pause it and look at it yourself, or get inside the members area and stop asking me a million questions. Everything I do is inside of this course. You got module 2, just the AI character creation lab. Module 3, Faceless platform launch. Module 4, the affiliate content engine. Number 5, system deployment. And then the bonus module is the Done For You character vault. All available to you for only a one-time fee of $17. Y'all lucky right now. I haven't updated it from the other day. Y'all can still get access to it for only $17 right now. By the time you see this video, the price increase back up to $97. That's on you. But while this video is being posted, it's only $17 until I get around to it. I got a lot of work to do right now, so yeah, you got time to take advantage of it right now. Of course, once you get inside the members area, go and join the Facebook group. Here you could post your questions, post your results, things like that. Just network with the other members. I'm trying to see if I'm missing anything. Nope, I'm not. Yeah, if you got any questions, comments, or concerns, leave it down below. The link to the checkout, the link to the course will be below this video in the pinned comment and in the top of the description. Take advantage of it while it's $17, because later tonight I might bump it back up to $97. But yeah, that's all I got for this video. I will see y'all in the next one.